Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are facing the issue with Elementor like this, that this Elementor page builder is not working properly, I mean the this page is not editable in the Elementor. So in order to solve this issue, there are three methods, but we will follow only first method. I mean one method, which one is very easy. So if that is work, then it is good. So just go to your dashboard. And in dashboard, go to the Elementor setting option, Elementor, then Elementor setting option. This is our first method. Okay, just click on advanced. Sorry, now click on switch editor load method. You can see this method is disabled here. Okay, you must enable this option so that your page, I mean your Elementor builder can load accurately. Okay, so just enable this option because it is disabled. Enable and then save changes. This is our first method. Okay, now just refresh this page or simply visit the website again and add it with Elementor. Let's see how it is working. Now you can see that your page is 100% editable in Elementor. So hopefully you find this video very helpful. If you find this video helpful, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.